When pumpkin season arrives, the dorayaki monster appears. Its soft and mochi-like outer layer, which looks like a fluffy golden pancake, is absolutely delicious. Let's make it together. Start by mixing shirata mako with milk, using a spatula to break up any lumps. In a separate bowl, whisk an egg with cane sugar until the mixture turns pale. Next, add the egg mixture into the shirata mako batter. Sift in cake flour and baking powder and mix until smooth. Heat a non-stick pan and then cool it briefly on a damp cloth to ensure an even temperature. Return the pan to low heat. Gently stir the batter and pour in 1 tablespoon at a time to create small, golden brown dorayaki pancakes. Since the pancakes dry out easily, wrap them in plastic wrap to keep them moist. Finally, sandwich your favorite fillings like pumpkin puree, sweet red bean paste, cream cheese, or raisins to complete your dorayaki monster. For the pumpkin puree recipe, check the description below.